Hello and welcome to Day 5 of the 30-Day English Learning Challenge.
You're doing amazing, and today we're going to work on something crucial for speaking clearly: pronunciation. Because even if your grammar is perfect, if people can't understand your pronunciation, your message might be lost. So today we'll fix 10 of the most common pronunciation mistakes English learners make. We'll learn how to say them correctly, listen and repeat, and finish with fun tongue twisters. Are you ready? Let's go. Part 1. 10 common pronunciation mistakes, 22 minutes. I'll go step by step. For each mistake, I'll tell you the sound, describe the wrong versus right way, give practice words, do listen repeat, help with how to train your mouth, sigh, tongue. Mistake 1. V versus W, very versus where. Many learners mix V and W. Very becomes wery, west becomes vest. How to fix it? V. Bite your bottom lip gently and make a buzzing sound. Make a small circle with your lips like blowing air. Listen, repeat. V. Very voice love, live never. W. Water, win, window, want, world practice sentences. I want to visit the West. Her voice is very clear. Repeat after me. Slowly, then faster. Mistake 2. TH sound, this versus dis. The TH sound is tricky because it doesn't exist in many languages. Think becomes sink. That becomes dat. How to fix it? Put your tongue between your teeth. Blow air out for soft touch like in think. For strong TH, like in that, vibrate your voice too. Listen. Repeat. Think. Thank. Thirsty. Thursday. This. That. They. There. Practice sentences. This is that book I was talking about. Think before you speak. Say it slowly, clearly. Mistake 3. Ship versus sheep, short I versus long I. Ship becomes sheep. Big difference. How to fix it? Ship, short sound, quick sheep, long, stretch it out. Listen, repeat. Ship, sheep, bit, beat, sit, seat hit, heat practice. Sentences. The ship is at sea. The sheep is on the hill. Hear the difference? Practice with me now. Mistake 4. Silent letters. Many words have silent letters, especially K, B, L, G, etc. Wrong. No sounds like K now. Wrong. Climb sounds like climo. Correct. Don't pronounce the silent letter. Listen. Repeat. No, knife, knock, climb, comb, half walk, talk. Practice sentences. I know how to climb the mountain. Let's walk and talk. Say it now. Don't add extra sounds. Mistake 5. R sound. In many languages, R is rolled or too hard. In English, it's soft and curved. How to fix it? Pull your tongue back. Don't roll it. Keep it smooth. Listen. Repeat. Right, road, really, rain, river. Practice sentences. The road is long and rainy. He is really nice. Mistake 6. Ending sounds. Many learners drop the last letter. Want becomes wan. Cold becomes coal. This causes confusion. Fix. Always pronounce the ending consonant clearly. Listen. Repeat. Want. Cold. Fast. Help. Build practice. Sentences. I want to help you. It's cold outside. Don't rush. Say every sound. Mistake 7. L versus R, especially for some Asian language speakers. Rice becomes lice. Light becomes right. Fix. For L, tongue touches the top of your mouth. For R, tongue stays back. Don't touch. Listen. Repeat. Light, late, love right, rain, river. Practice sentences. I love rice. Turn right at the light. Mistake 8. Short A versus long A. Man versus Maine. Bat versus bait. Listen, repeat. Bat, bait, hat, hate, pan. Pain. Practice sentences. I wore a hat because I hate the sun. The man is in pain. Mistake 9. Stress on the wrong syllable. English uses word stress. Wrong. Address. Noun versus address. Verb. Fix. Practice with rhythm and stress. Listen. Repeat. Record. Noun. Record. Verb. Present. Noun. Present. Verb. Practice sentences. I gave her a present. I want to present my idea. Mistake 10. Mixing B and P. Pack becomes back. Pat becomes bat. fix. P, strong burst of air. B, softer, no air listen. Repeat, pat, bat pack, back pen. Ben practice sentences. I packed my bag. Give me the pen, not the ben. Part 2, Tongue Twister Challenge. Now let's make it fun. We'll train your mouth with tongue twisters. I'll say it slow, then faster. You repeat after me. Tongue twister 1, V versus W. Willie's very wary of wet weather. Repeat 3 times. Start slow, then fast. Tongue twister 2, TH sounds. 33 thirsty thieves thundered through the thicket. Slowly first, then try again faster. Tongue twister 3, R versus L. Red lorry, yellow lorry. Say 5 times. Don't rush. Tongue twister 4, ending sounds. He helped her paint the perfect picture. Focus on the ed and tur sounds. Tongue twister 5, B versus P. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. The most famous one. Say it with me slowly, then faster. Amazing. Your mouth is getting stronger. Homework. Your homework today is fun. Practice 5 tongue twisters from today. Say them every morning and every night. You can also record your voice and compare it to mine. It's a great way to self-check. Recap. We corrected 10 common pronunciation mistakes. You learned how to fix each sound. We did listen and repeat drills. You had fun with tongue twisters. You got your daily homework. Remember, clear pronunciation builds confidence. Speak slowly, practice daily, and most importantly, enjoy the journey. Final words. You don't need a perfect accent, but you do need clear communication. And that starts with practice like today. Tomorrow we're going to train your listening skills again in a deeper way. Get ready for Day 6, Understand Native Speakers. Until then, keep speaking, keep smiling, and don't stop. See you tomorrow.